Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add music to your Facebook profile. So here I'm gonna go to my profile by clicking on the three lines icon and then click on see your profile, and then in here just scroll down until you find music in your profile. So here is the music option, click on that, and here you can see I've already added a few songs to my profile, but if you prefer to search a new song you can just click on the plus account, and then here you can see the songs suggested by Facebook, or you can also search a specific music or artist in here, and then when you're done just click on the songs and it will be added to your profile. Okay, you can see it has been added, but if you want to make the music shown in your profile, just click on the three lines icon beside the songs and then choose to pin it to your profile. So the song has been pinned, and to check if the song has been pinned in your profile or not, just go back to your profile and then see it. You can see now the song has been pinned in my profile in here under my Facebook name. Okay guys, so that is how you can add a song or music to your Facebook profile. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.